Yo, so guys, welcome back to another video. This is another reaction to more car crash compilations, and I say people, you guys seem to really enjoy these reactions, and this is a new one actually. This came out, I say it's new, it's under a month old, and it's got nearly 5.5 million views, which is kind of nuts, and I'm assuming it's blown up because there's just crazy clips in here, right? But I mean, firstly, I hope no one was seriously injured in these clips, but I assume definitely were, and people didn't lose their lives, because again there's going to be some brutal ones in here, and again it doesn't show the backstories to these sort of clips, so you don't actually know. But with some of them, man, I can't lie, the way they sort of collide with each other, and sometimes how like the windscreen, like how a small car will get crushed by like a truck or something, and like the front just gets obliterated. Like I just can't see. Yeah, I can't see how people can survive them. But, I mean, yeah, fingers crossed. But we're going to get into this again. Car crash compilation, best of driving fails, USA, Canada, UK and more. And I mean, yeah, more of these reactions on the way. But yeah, suggest some more videos like this you want to see in future. Shout out to my Instagram and my Twitter. Links in the description for those interested. Same for my Patreon. Links are all there for those interested. But let's jump into it, man. Let's see some more of these brutal clips.
More, 80. A little more, 85. 84. Oh, they're turned. They have a turn signal on.
They didn't. So
Oh.
I honked.
They put it on.
Yes. Oh my
God.
Jesus.
Holy sh.
Boy, they could have been hit as well.
Oh my
God.
Jesus.
Holy sh.
Ooh.
U.S. Congress.
Fuck me, that was loud.
Wow.
Oh, it's a free car crash. They got spun out, man.
Senate and House of Representatives.
Ooh, what the fuck? I thought these like concrete beams or whatever, they were like unmovable. I thought it would just crash the car or the flip would crash over it. Probably like destroyed the banisters or whatever you want to call it, the wall. I didn't think that was possible. Nearly flies into the car. I saw, oh, god damn. The whiplash from that. No thank you, man. Bro, these roads are so dangerous, man. I saw a video recently, and it was to do with like how a biker was killed on one of these roads because of the angles. You can't sort of see them coming. It's weird, but these roads are like really dangerous. Like where there's a road going across and a road going down. Really dangerous, man. Shit, man.
Oh my God.
Oh no. See, what is this car doing? What are you doing in this car? Like, what are you actually doing? You're just, like, can you not look? Again, it's one of these roads. Again, I guess you can't see this way, but like, just wait. There's no rush here, big man. Oh, that is loud. Oh shit, this is exactly what I'm talking about. If the person in there survived that, I mean, you're one lucky fuck, but just there's nothing to say, man. But hopefully, of course, they were right. But man, don't look good, man. That literally, the window mirror's just been crushed. The wheels nearly crushed the whole front of the car, man. Still moving, what the fuck? This driver clutched it up, man. Who the fuck's the other mug? What are you doing, man? What, bro? What is wrong with people, man? The fuck is wrong with people, man? GG. feel like I've seen this one before. Maybe not. Maybe not. I mean, there we go, man. Half the time, these crashes, it's just vulnerable people just like sitting ducks. What can you do in this situation, man? So many like deaths or injuries are caused from just reckless drivers crashing into people who just like they're just sitting there. They can't move out of the way. Like, what can you do in this situation? You're in a tiny car compared to this monster one as well. I mean, I wouldn't say it's a monster car, but like, bro, that's nuts, man. Days, bro. Whoa, shit. Boy, oh boy. Went flip, man. Also, let me know if you've been like involved in like a car crash, like I mean any car crash in general, but like a brutal one, like where maybe you're lucky to be alive, kind of thing. Luckily for me, I've never been involved, but I know there's been a lot of close. I've had a few close calls with like being a passenger and stuff. And bro, that feeling where you think you're gonna crash or that you've nearly crashed is nuts, man. So when you actually crash into a car, I can't imagine sort of like the shock that you get. It must be so like just instant. It just, yeah, man, I can't imagine. And scary, to say the least. Oh, you love to see it. You absolutely love to see it. Undercover cops, man. My guy done fucked up. Just wait a little bit, man. Come on. Fuck's sake. Oh. See that the car driving across is obviously in the wrong because all these cars are going. Bro, just wait a little bit again. What is it if people just rushing through? From the side, so, oh, they are gonna get... That car has been destroyed. That could have been all of them as well. It was that last car, luckily, but it could have been all of them. The fuck? What the hell? What's happening here? What the hell? He's on top of those cars. What the fuck? That's a whole lot of damages, man. Jeez. I mean, who's in the wrong? Like, why is this car stopped? And when you think about it like that, like, I mean, maybe there's a reason why it stopped or whatever, but same time, can you? I don't really know who's in the wrong there. To be honest, they're probably both in the wrong, but collision on the half. Bro, these American roads are so like. There's just so many damn cars. I thought there was a car behind, but it's dragging it along.
With greater challenges, their commitment grows strong. That's the power of you. Learn more at uflhealth.org. From VIA Studio, a branding and marketing agency.
Oh my.
Oh my goodness.
Was there 3 involved in this one?
Oh my goodness.
There's like 4, 3 or 4, I think. Jeez.
Oh my goodness.
Could eventually make 1,200 a day. But let's assume 1,000 to account for illness or unforeseen happenings. That's the most we can produce per day. That might give us close to our 10,000.
Oh no. That's on like a bridge as well. You get spun like in the air and you're flying off the bridge, man. Oh my days, bro. Those big truck collisions scare me because these are tiny cars and these are just like trains crashing into you, man. Luckily that one wasn't too...
Honey?
I saw it just in time.
Damn!
I mean, bro, you're in this big ass truck. Why do you think you can get through these gaps? Come on, man. Let's be real. He clutched up, to be fair, but... It's coming into your car too, isn't it? No?
O kurwa.
Gee.
Czekaj, Hubeciś.
Wait, what? What the f... Wait, what? It's just like a metal table there.
I do. I'm sorry. What is it about him? No. Right. Did you do go on a holiday or? I've never been on a plane. Hang on a minute. Have you ever been on a holiday?
Bruh, man, driving beside these big ass trucks is not gonna be for me, man. They just do what they want, don't they? Could have ended a lot worse though, man.
How old are
Lucky
you?
it didn't.
28. That's amazing.
See, what scares me about these ones is if there's cars coming behind them, I'm always worried that it's just gonna crash into them and cause a really big crash. Luckily there's not, but... Big man. That one scared me, man. Just suddenly just crashed into him. And that's it. Man, these videos never fail to amaze me with how stupid some people can be. Assume everyone around you is stoned, drunk, hungover, distracted, or just plain stupid. Imagine being a raccoon trying to duck and dodge from all these crazy metal beasts on the road. 73, I can't believe that guy rear-ended Jar Jar like that.
Honey?
Respect Jar Jar Binks, man. It never ceases to amaze me how many drivers will lay on the horn for 3 to 5 seconds, but won't break their bikes. 421 is just crazy. How do you reverse that fast into a busy street? Don't hit any cars. Do an almost perfect 180, then park on top of the other cars. I'm done. Yeah, that ending was out of pocket, man. I was not expecting the car to just be sitting on the others. 323, don't you hate when you're driving in the middle of the night and there's only 2 other drivers within a 10-mile radius and they just happen to be a guy with a dash cam and a car? It's just caught red-handed, man. There's no getting out of that one, bro. Not gonna lie, 425 was kind of hilarious. Imagine seeing that and just being stunned, like, what's going on here? Yeah, I was so confused. What causes that? Is he literally just reversing? There's some malfunction there or something. Guy literally crushed to death by force of a speeding semi-truck. The video is subscribed. Yeah, I mean, there's no way. For me, there's no way that they survived that, man. But how don't you see it? It's just brutal. It's loud, I'm not going to watch that. But yeah, man, crazy stuff happening. Hopefully everyone was alright in these, but you just don't know. And when you see some of these clips, I wouldn't be sure about it. But I mean, hopefully you enjoyed this reaction. More of this stuff on the way, and then next time, like, subscribe. Peace.